are making, guys, we're making a sloth cake. This is so exciting. We have an 8-inch cake, 2 layers. It's frosted with buttercream, and I have another little chunk. It's actually 2 chunks of cake up here to make his head. So we are going to make this look like a sloth. It has a little layer of fondant here, and it's like flesh tone color fondant. And I know the picture was purple, a purple little guy, but I'm making mine pink, of course. So I'm really excited. And so I'm gonna start here with his fur. So let me tell you a story about sloths, okay? I used to hate sloths so bad. Like, I'd see them and they used to like creep me out. My husband, he's in the back somewhere, I'm sure he's laughing because it's true. We would go to a zoo, we go to like different places, and I would never want to see them because I always thought they were so creepy. But now I love them. It's so funny, my mother-in-law even gave me a little sloth massager for Christmas. So it's just funny. Anyway, I think they're cute. They're adorable now. Okay, I don't know what happened. So anyway, I have this brown. It's kind of like a taupey kind of brown. It's really not a deep brown. It's kind of like almost borderline gray. So it's kind of like a really cool, soft brown, if you will. So what I'm going to do here is I am just going to make, he's going to look like he's hugging the cake, or she is going to look like she's hugging the cake. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add some buttercream to frame the sloth's face. And I'm using my 1M tip. For you guys who want to do this, find yourself a 1M tip from any craft store. I mean, you can go to Michael's. You can go online to Amazon. It's my favorite tip. So I'm just going around with little squirts here of yummy little puffs of frosting all around his head. Okay, so now you see I'm kind of branching out a little bit. I'm creating his arms, guys. So I'm just using my little 1M tip and going to town here. Just on the side. You guys could do this with any animal. Y'all, cake decorators who are watching me, these are some great ideas for you to use for Valentine's Day coming up. You all could do this with a little bear and put some chocolate covered strawberries. Oh, you can do anything. It's so fun. Okay, so here I'm gonna go around. Y'all see that there? Just a little bit on the side. Just go down to make the legs there. It's so exciting. Like, you just can do anything. You can do anything with some buttercream and a cake. Okay, so I'm coming around here just to make his little legs. I want to give him a good amount of space there. So I'm going to make my border. Okay, this is super cute. It is some soft pink, pastel color pink for the border, so it looks like a normal birthday cake. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go in with some nice pretty swirls so it looks like the border of a birthday cake. Okay, I just went like this around in little circles. I'm going to add his little fingers and his toes. This will let his little hands, his little fingers stick in there. Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I'm getting probably too excited about this, but I love when little things come together on cake, so it's exciting, friends. All right, so now I am going to I don't want his middle finger sticking up there. I just want it to be cute, and I kind of made these like different sizes, so you just gotta like watch and make sure they're all the same size. You want to make them all kind of the same on each hand. And this guy is gonna be looking like he is grabbing this cake. Super, super cute. His little fingers. Oh, I love it, guys. Okay, in the bottom here, 3 little claws. Oh my gosh, you guys. Isn't that adorable? I hope it's coming up clear and you can see it. I think that guy is here. One more after this guy. And he's good to go. That is so cute, guys. I love it. Now, I will tell you right before I do this next part, I had to add, once I set my cake in the fridge, the white part is gonna get hard. So what we're trying to do is, we're trying to make our little gems and stuff stick onto the cake, so you'll want to do one more layer right before you decorate. Don't put it back in the fridge because you want these to be able to stick to your cake. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with this little tweezer guy. I might have to just use my fingers, but sometimes when it gets really small and the sprinkles are really, really tiny, having a pair of tweezers is a big, big help. It just makes it way easier, okay, to add them onto your cake. I have some gold little guys too, but I think I'm probably just gonna do those off camera if I decide to. So cute! Oh my gosh, wait till y'all see her face. Wait till you guys see how cute she's gonna be. Okay, add little hearts. Oops, that guy's trying to escape off the cake there. Okay. And I'm going to add some stars over here. Y'all, I'm just using my fingers. Way, way faster now at this point. Okay, so I am going to finish her up by making her little face. We are putting some sunglasses on her, or some reading glasses, whatever. She's gonna have some glasses, and they're gonna look really cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some buttercream to the back of my eyeball here, or one of my eyes, and stick it on the cake. There's one. And I'm gonna do the other one here too. Another little eye. And I wanna put the nose on first too. I gotta have the nose. And it's kind of like a little black heart, super cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot stand the cuteness. I'm gonna make her eyes have like little cute little eyelashes here. And she's gonna look really happy. Look how happy! Cute little side smirk there. Okay, and now for the finishing touch, her glasses, y'all. I'm gonna put these on, she's just like me. What do you guys think? Isn't she adorable? I totally love her. She's so, so cute. Okay, wait, I lied. I'm not finished yet. This is the finishing touch here. She is going to be eating some candy. Now y'all saw the picture. There were some candles. This little sloth is gonna have some marshmallows. And what is this? This isn't licorice, what is it? Taffy. Thank you. I forget, you know. Auntie Sophia's like, oh Lord. I got a lot in the brain, okay? Some little things escape me. Okay. So here she is, guys. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing and wonderful day. God bless you. I love you. Bye.